Oh, yeah. Okay, so we got the piston, we got the ring. So when you stop, make sure the little marking is up, facing up in the cylinder. So check the ring gap, make sure it's 0.004 inches per inch of bore. So if this is it's a 125, so a 2-inch bore, or 2 point something inch bore. So times 0.004 is about 0.008 inches for the ring gap. So check that.
Just one little marking right there, and that's where the end of the ring goes.
Okay. And we'll start this little CO2 right here, the power valve. And boom. Okay, now I'll put the power valves in. So we got the right one, the left one, I got this little bar thing. All right, those are on there. So we'll grab 2 of those nuts that fit on those studs. We'll do one like this, facing down, and then one facing up. And that's how we'll torque them down. I got 2 12mm. So you're gonna want it either you're gonna want the opening at the very bottom or the very top. So when the force is kind of smushed down on it, if it's sideways, it's gonna want to open, but if it's just going like this, it won't do anything. Okay, it clicked in, and then you want to make sure it's clicked in everywhere. All right, so I put this right on here. All right, and for the cylinder, I'm gonna grease up the rings. I got this little screw holding like this. Make sure the ring's in the right place. Make sure the power valve thing is out of the way. You can't even see that, but. So you gotta squeeze it together. that's right there. And we'll torque these down to, I don't know how many foot-pounds until they're tight. That's a little better. Boom. Doesn't need to be too tight. Good God. Okay, finally. Jesus. I got this thing holding on the power valve. A 5/16 works. Hold this down. Just torque it down, not too much. Just like that. So I got that gasket all greased up. Let's put this right here. All right, got all those in. All right. Nice. Okay, let's put the head on. So the motor mount faces towards the motor mount, obviously. Got the gaskets all in place. Okay, that's right in there. So we got the washers. All the nuts. And they got tight foot-pounds. Alright, breather hose right here. Alright. And then we'll tighten up this plug. Alright, that's it. One. It's tough to get to all these places. There. Right here. Those are all tight. All right, tighten up all these. Make sure they're nice and tight. The coil goes on to the motor mounts too, right here, just like that. So one door right here, one right here, underneath there. Easy peasy. Okay. Alright. We got repacked muffler. Okay, those are all torqued down. Okay, so we got distilled water, basically half this, half the coolant concentrate. Okay. Yeah, it's on. It's on. Make sure this thing is kind of out of the way. disconnect the fuel hose. Little clip thing. Okay. 32 to 1 at first, and then we'll probably go to 40 to 1 once it's broken in.